The Department for International Trade, led by Liam Fox, has discussed a future relationship with the Trans-Pacific Partnership TPP after Britain leaves the European Union in March 2019. The Secretary of State has said that it would be foolish to rule out a future agreement in a bid to boost exports after Brexit. A professor of industrial economics at Nottingham University, David Patton, agreed with Mr. Fox that the UK should not rule out the new agreement in case it is of benefit to Britain. He told RT, "I think speculation is the word. At the moment there is no TPP agreement. The United States pulled out of the agreement, and that means that the other participants are rethinking how it should be structured." Getty RT Brexit News. David Patton said the UK could agree both a Trans-Pacific Partnership and an EU deal, given that we don't know what it would look like at the end. It seems a bit strange to rule it out at the moment. It may be that once the details are clearer that it will be something that is of benefit to the UK. We have got a range of countries, many of which we have got historic links to, like Canada, New Zealand and Japan, which are quite important trading partners, but which crucially where there is a lot of scope for future growth. Mr. Patton added the UK could benefit from both a new Trans-Pacific agreement and a deal with the European Union after Brexit. It seems a bit strange to rule it out at the moment, David Patton, he said. One of the interesting things is that a lot of these countries we do have historic links to, but let's remember, it's not either or. It's not a question of saying, well, we won't trade with the European Union because we are going to trade with these countries. If proposals went ahead, Britain would become the first member which does not have borders on the Pacific Ocean of the South China Sea. There are 11 members including Australia, Mexico, Singapore, Japan and Canada, and the group have tried to thrash out a new framework after Donald Trump withdrew the US on his third day of office. The Secretary of State for International Trade, Mr. Fox, has said it was too soon to seek membership of the pact. He said, "We don't know what the success of the TPP is going to look like because it isn't yet negotiated, so it would be a little bit premature for us to be wanting to sign up to something that we're not sure what the final details will look like. However, we have said that we want to be an open, outward-looking country, and therefore it would be foolish for us to rule out any particular outcomes for the future. So we'll keep an open mind, and we'll want to talk to our global trading partners." The European Union has ordered the UK to not make trade deals before it formally leaves the bloc.